Alright guys, I'm going to start off with my Angel Veil Primer. I'm going to apply this to my T-zone and forehead and chin. As you can see, I realized I used entirely too much, but yeah. Next, I'm going to take my LA Pro Girl Concealer in the shade Orange Corrector. I'm going to apply this around my mouth, to the dark spot on my nose, the dark spot on my cheek, and then I'm also going to apply it to my under eye area. Next, I'm going to take this Real Techniques Expert Face Brush, and I'm just going to buff out that orange corrector in the places I applied it.
You should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh, you should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh, you should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh, you should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me?
For foundation, I'm taking my Fenty Beauty M440 and my Morphe M439 to buff that out.
You should've called me. You should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh, you should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me?
To further blend out my foundation, I'm just going to take this beauty blender because I want my skin to appear smooth and flawless.
You should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me?
So you already know I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn, and I'm going to use this to highlight my under eye, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my forehead. I'm just going to take that beauty blender again, and I am going to blend out the concealer that I just applied.
You should've called me. call me? You should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh, you should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh.
Alright, I'm going to set that concealer with the Coty Airspun Translucent Powder.
Oh, you should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh.
I'm going to take my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette to contour with, using that dark shade, and I'm going to blend this in with my sculpting brush by Real Techniques.
You should've called me. You should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me?
I'm just going to use my Flawless Concealer brush by e.l.f. just to lightly contour my nose.
You should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh, you should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me?
To set my entire face, I'm going to take my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in Deep, and I'm going to take my Multitask brush by Real Techniques to apply to my entire face. For blush, I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. blush palette, and I'm going to use the lightest pink shade. And to apply it, I'm going to take my blush brush by Real Techniques. Alright, I'm going to set my entire face with this Make It Last setting spray by Milani Cosmetics. Alright, to highlight, I'm going to take my ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in Wisp, and I'm going to apply it with my MAC 109 brush. Alright, I'm going to take this Real Techniques base shadow brush to apply the highlight to my brow bone. Alright, I'm going to apply some liner with my Kat Von D tattoo liner just because I will be wearing lashes and I don't want my lash band to be visible. So for lashes today, I'm going to be taking the Style So Wispy by Kiss, using my Star Glue to apply them.
You should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh, you should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh, you should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me?
Alright, I'm just going to line my waterline with this simple black liner pencil.
You know whose blood this is, Mummy? This is Jason's blood. This is Daddy's blood. And the next blood to be spilt will be yours.
Cheryl, dear God.
You've been in cahoots with Daddy's twin. You tried to kill Nana Rose.
Girl.
Sent me off to a ghoulish.
Cheryl out here tripping.
Your depraved
Ooh.
gambits are finished.
Sorry guys, y'all shaking. But Cheryl was out here. I'm shook because Cheryl is out here tripping. I'm watching Riverdale. Alright, I'm just taking my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara to apply to my top and bottom lashes. Alright, here's another Real Techniques brush. I'm just applying highlight to my inner tear duct. I'm going to take my MAC liner in Chestnut to line my lips. For lip color first, I'm going to be taking the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Abu Dhabi. Next, I'm going to top that with my Buxom lip gloss, and it's called Serena. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.